It's Vision TV.
Hi guys, in this video we are drawing and coloring in a mermaid. Let's draw with me. First I am coloring its hair with yellow color. Its hair is golden color. Now I am coloring in star on the head of the mermaid. I am coloring its face with skin color. I love to watch mermaid cartoon or movies. I am coloring its hand and its body with skin color. Do you like to watch a mermaid story or a cartoon? Now I am coloring its chest with light pink color. Light green color. I am coloring its tummy with light green color. I am coloring his tail with rainbow color, light pink color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Dark green color, light blue color, indigo color, it's time to color its beautiful tail with dark blue color. Hope you like my rainbow mermaid. I am coloring its second part.
Subscribe us for more videos.